Hey all, this is Shubhankar here from Quantsap. So in today's video, we'll try to understand a part of built-up tool in our mobile application, which is script. So once I go on script, I'll get to see on what instruments on futures contract, what is the built-up that has been witnessed. So L is indicating a long built-up, LU is indicating a long unwindings move, S is indicating a shorts. Similarly, SC is showing us a short covering move. If I wish to check a particular expiry, so combined it is including all of the three expiries of futures, I can pick up any single one of it as well if I wish to. Similarly, I can pick up my own desired sector scripts as well, let's say IT, so I can check how the IT scripts have been performing today. Similarly, I can check the market breadth as well. So out of total FNOs, 19 instruments have witnessed a long built up, 54 have witnessed a long unwinding move, 60 instruments have witnessed a short built up, and 24 instruments have witnessed a short covering move. Similarly, if I only wish to see the scripts which are on the long side for the day, so I can select it accordingly. So I'll just click on long. So only the scripts which have witnessed a long built up, only that would be shortlisted. Similarly, if I wish to check the top gainer of the entire FNO, so all I need to do is just tap on the price button. So it would be showing me the top gainer as my first instrument and top loser as my last. Similarly, if I double tap on it, so automatically it will be sorted down in the ascending order, wherein top loser pops up on the first. Similarly, I can do ahead and shortlist my candidates as per the open interest built up as well in terms of futures contract. So I would say that was it from this particular video itself. We would be posting similar sort of content regularly on YouTube. So you can hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you have liked the video. Also you can refer Quantsap to one of your friends, where in that case you will get 100 rupees reward points in your Quantsap account and your friend earns 500 rupees reward points in his Quantsap account, which can be used for further purchases made in application. Thank you.